Ray Alkalai again. Insurance tips for smart people. Insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Hey, today we're going to continue the conversation regardless of what else is going on in the world. There's all kinds of things happening in the world, but we're going to continue the conversation on disability insurance myths. Had a conversation recently with a client who is a business client who said his wife had disability insurance through her work. So I said, well, why don't you grab her policy and we'll take a look to see what she's got just in case there's some shortages on coverage. And it turns out that her coverage is for 2 years benefit, and it's not what's called owner occupation or own occupation, not owner occupation, but own occupation, meaning that what she does for a living, if she is disabled and she can do something different while being disabled, she will have to do that in order to compensate for the part that they won't be paying her for. Meaning that you want own occupation kind of coverage, and for 2 years. So if she has an illness that takes longer than 2 years to recover from, or something that she'll never recover from, she will be short coverage. After 2 years, it'll be over. So any planning or anything that comes up in the future that they wanted to plan for, she will not have. So disability insurance is not always what you think it is when you get it through your employer. Also, she thought she wouldn't be insurable based on her health situation. Based on what we did, a little questionnaire, went back and forth, and we figured out that she is qualified and there is coverage for her, and we can supplement what her employer doesn't cover her for. So don't assume that you are covered, number one, and don't assume that you are covered properly, number two, and don't assume that you can't be covered. So disability insurance is important because you do have mortgages, utilities, you have groceries to pay for, college education for your kids, gas. I mean, there's all kinds of issues you have to pay for, and without an income, you don't have that. And disability insurance is what that's for. That is income protection. It's not about being hurt somewhere. It is being either hurt and or sick. And most people get sick, not hurt. The majority of people that use disability insurance, it's because of illness. So if you have any questions regarding disability insurance, give me a shout out, put some comments, or give me a call, and I will clarify for them. If you don't have, or if you do have an agent, give them a call and ask them that question, because you need to know what kind of coverages you do have. Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Share the video, please. Share it with your friends and go to this website and check it out. Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smartpeople.com.